Hi everyone, this is Stephanie from American Medical, the Oxygen Concentrator Store, and I wanted to help you guys out today. The other day I had a customer walk in complaining of dry nose from their oxygen concentrator, which is really common, especially if you're here in Colorado, but also just common in general if you're using your oxygen at night. So luckily we have a solution for you. It is a humidifier bottle. So what we're going to do today is we're going to tell you and show you exactly how this works with your oxygen concentrator. But what this little guy does is it humidifies the air that you're receiving through your nasal cannula. So that way, if it's going through your nose and through your throat, it's a little bit more humid instead of that dry air that you'd be getting without it. So it definitely does help if you're feeling dry or your throat's feeling dry if you're using the oxygen at night. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how this works with our Respironics EverFlo Q. So first things first, we need the humidifier attachment. It actually comes with this machine, but it's tricky to find. So if we take the machine and put it on its side, there's this little sideways door here that we can open. You can push it with your hand or you can take a coin and just pop it open there. This is where your humidifier attachment is located. So we're going to take it off. And we're going to reattach this back door here. That covers the HEPA filter in the back of this machine. So put that back on. So we've got our humidifier attachment. We're going to put this on the spout of the machine here. So this would normally be where your cannula is going to go, but this is where we're going to place this humidifier attachment. We'll take our humidifier bottle and just set it on the back of the machine. There is, I'll show you here, an adjuster in the back so you can get the bottle on nice and tight. You're going to fill it up with some water there. And then this top is going to screw to the top of your bottle here. So I'll put that on and tighten it up. All right, so we're going to connect it so it's nice and tight. And it actually probably should have moved this water bottle around. Here we go. So now our spout for the oxygen where you're going to connect your cannula is going to connect here. And then you would wear your cannula just like normal around your nose and your ears. So what this is doing is it's taking the oxygen that the machine is making, it's putting it through our humidifier bottle here. So our output is humidified medical grade oxygen. Hope this helps everyone. All right, everyone, I hope this video helped you out. And definitely give us a call if you have any questions or would like to order an oxygen humidifier kit. We can definitely help you. Thanks so much.